Hi, this is David Davis from vmwarevideos.com. I'm here with Ben from Bluelock.
Yep, Ben Miller, Chief Engineer with Bluelock.
Great, it's great to meet you, Ben.
Likewise.
We're here at VMware Partner Exchange, and we're talking about VMware and vCloud. And I was actually in the keynote this morning, and I saw the Bluelock name up there. And so why don't you just start off and tell me a little bit about Bluelock?
Well, Bluelock's been around a while. We are a vCloud data center certified partner. That's one of the reasons you saw us up there on the board.
Okay.
We are a cloud hosting provider. Have been doing cloud hosting for going on 5 years now. And
that's a long time in the cloud world.
Yeah, the term cloud wasn't around back then.
Yeah.
We called it infrastructure as a service, but cloud is a lot easier to say. So.
Yeah. So I know originally you guys started off as one of the first vCloud Express partners, and now it's evolved more into the vCloud data center. So, what does a vCloud data center partner do?
vCloud data center partner is not just about having. So the new technology VMware's talked about, you probably heard about in the keynote, is the vCloud Director product, which enables cloud services. So it's more than just being having that product and some hardware to run it on. It's going through the process of being certified from a processes and procedure standpoint, offering out certain service levels, SLAs, things like that are going to be consistent across VCDC partners of VMware. So somebody in the field is going to be looking, they're going to look at the different partners, and they're going to expect to see similar things, and they're going to expect a certain level of quality that VMware is saying, these are our partner, and we've made sure that they're a good partner and they're high quality, and we've worked well with them.
Okay. So underneath you all are using vSphere as the hypervisor platform, and then vCloud Director.
Yes, vCloud Director sits on top of vSphere, and it kind of acts as a broker. It controls the vSphere infrastructure, allows for multi-tenancy, which is a key feature for cloud providers. It also adds a great advantage of a very simple to use API that we've worked with a number of clients that have leveraged that API, developed against that API to be able to not only use the cloud for their self-service tools, but also do automated cloud bursting, launch loads in the cloud, do testing in the cloud, and other types of activities that way as well.
Okay, so then you write custom web interfaces using the vCloud API that then your end users or your customers take advantage of, right?
That's right. So our portal leverages the technologies that we bring to play and wrap around it. So Bluelock is a full service cloud provider. So it's not you jump into the cloud and you're all by yourself wondering, okay, what do I do now? Bluelock offers managed services on top of that. We offer features on top of that aren't just baked into vSphere and vCloud Director. So interacting with those, opting into those, using those, you come to our portal, it uses a vCloud API, helps with vCloud Director, and launches you into vCloud Director when you need to get in and manage your environment that way.
Okay. And to me, from what I've learned from the different cloud players, the portal that the cloud provider develops is one of the key differentiators. How easy it is to use, how intuitive it is, how automated it is. Would you say that's true?
Absolutely. I'm very passionate about the user experience, and that is absolutely key to it. Is coming and working with Bluelock should be a smooth experience from start to finish. We want to enable the users to come to the cloud, be very easy to get involved, to get signed up, to get working with us, and then be very easy to interact with us. And so that's all about that portal experience. VMware's done a great job with vCloud Director in interacting with the technology, but it's more than that. It's that relationship that we have, especially as we tailor solutions and work with our clients closely.
Okay. So, say I'm a medium-sized company, some say 100 servers or so. How do and I'm considering, all this cloud talk, what would you advise? What would you tell someone like that?
Well, we're seeing a lot of traction with people testing out the cloud just to get used to it, to get a good feel for it.
Okay.
So people are bringing us a few loads, like they'll start off with some test and dev loads. They'll start off with some what we'd call non-tier 1 type of applications, just to try it out, bring it over, get their feet wet, and that's what I encourage. It's flexible enough you don't have to know all the answers to start off with. And that's one of our things, is that you're embracing the unknown. You know, you got to learn about it. You can change your mind later and decide, you know what, I need bigger, I need smaller, or I need to change what workload I'm putting out there.
Yeah.
You can download and upload your workloads to and from your environment, so it's very flexible about what's up there. I'd say feel it out, find out what you want to be able to do with it. If you're looking at a cloud strategy, you probably have a reason for that. You know, the data center's full, we need to act quickly. I got a project, 30 days from now I have to have a whole environment set up for something. There's a lot of pieces that bring you looking for the cloud. So leverage an opportunity like that, learn about it, experience it, and then you'll know from there where to go.
Okay. And so that was one of my questions. If you had a virtualized server, how do you get it to the cloud?
Yeah, so there are two methods. The vCloud Director web interface allows you simply to upload and download a vApp or a cluster of virtual machines using, it's an open format called an OVF.
Okay.
You can export it right out of your virtual center, upload it into our cloud, you can download it out of the cloud and put it right back in virtual center. But even smoother than that, VMware just announced their vCloud connector tool, and it has built into it a single pane of glass where you can see your virtual center, you can see Bluelock's cloud, and you can just from that screen push or pull your workloads up or down from the cloud.
Wow, just upload a server.
Just upload a server.
It sounds amazing. That's too good to be true. But there's just so much excitement going on here at Partner Exchange, and just all around VMware's cloud computing. I really appreciate your time and education on the cloud and what Bluelock's doing.
Sure. Thanks a lot.
Thanks very much, Ben. Appreciate it.